Welcome, my brave souls, to this sacred space of healing and transformation. Let's take a moment to honor the courageous heart within each of us. Together, we'll explore the depth of our past to bring healing and light to our inner child. I request you to close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. So, today we gather with the intention of nurturing the wounded parts of ourselves and offering tender care to our inner child. So, moving forward, I want you all to get into that sensation when you went through that insecurity emotions, not able to speak up for yourself, and the irritation because of that, sadness, helplessness, any frustration or any fear. Just dive deeper into that sensation. Now rate the intensity of your emotion from 1 to 10, where 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Now we will move to round number 2, embracing self-compassion. So even though my inner child feels wounded, I choose to embrace love and compassion. I am worthy of love and healing. My inner child deserves kindness and compassion. I offer love to the wounded parts of myself. I surround my inner child with warmth and comfort. I forgive myself for any pain I have carried. I am a nurturing guardian to my inner child. Love and compassion flow freely within me. Take 3 deep breaths, and now we'll move to the last round, cultivating the inner strength. So we'll start again with the eyebrow point. Even though my inner child has endured pain, I choose to nurture their strength and resilience. My inner child is strong and resilient. They have survived and thrived. I celebrate the courage within my inner child. They are capable of healing and growth. I embrace their inner strength and wisdom. My inner child is a beacon of light. I am proud of this resilience within me. Put your hands down. Take 3 deep breaths. Close your eyes. Now open your eyes. Feel the warmth and love you have cultivated within yourself, and know that you are capable of nurturing and healing your inner child. You are a loving guardian, and your inner child is safe and supported in your care. Don't forget to comment your experience in comment box. Thank you so much for tuning in.